Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Finding the code segment to count negative array values is fast. Let's evaluate these 3 options to find the winner. Segment 1 starts the index at -1 but increments it immediately inside the while loop. This means it correctly checks every single element from index 0 to the final length. Segment 2 is actually broken because it starts the loop at index 1 instead of 0. This mistake causes the code to skip the very first element of the array entirely. Segment 3 fails by using array values as indices. This causes a crash if any value is negative or too large. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust the info and check steps for option A.